broadcaster and a good friend. How about we give a round of applause this time as we listen to the message of our Mayor, Honorable Mayor Greg Gasataya.
Thank you, Sir Eric. It's nice finally meeting you after so many years of hearing your name, and to all the executives of RMN, Congressman Dino, Councilor Distrito, Councilor Espino was here a while ago, Father Asor, Sir Joni. Full disclosure, coming in, I was looking at familiar faces. There were those who, when I first had my job way back 1993, may nakita ko na ilan. So meaning they were older than me. A couple of nights ago, I was looking at the schedule for today. And I was in a situation wherein you can be at two places at the same time. This afternoon, Bacolod City will be receiving an award from a big national company in Manila for its digitalization program. So meaning Bacolod is going to be honored by what the city has been doing for quite some time. While this morning, our presence is our simple way of honoring RMN for what you have been doing to the city of Bacolod, the province, and the country in general. So when my staff asked me, saan ako mag-attend? I told them, I will be attending the blessing and the inauguration of RMN because, as I said, kahit sa maliit na paraan, makapagpasalamat man lang ang Bacolod City for and behalf of the people of Bacolod City, because we know that for so many decades you have been doing a lot of things for our city and our province, not just in the aspect of broadcasting, but much more in public service. So as what we believe in Bacolod City, we know that the city government cannot do this alone. I cannot do this alone. We cannot do this alone. But with each and everyone doing our own respective share, big things will continue to happen for Bacolod City. That's why we believe that in Bacolod we are stronger together, and we are doing that because we have so many companies, so many groups who are helping, and we are coming and we're going towards the same direction. And in terms of public service, we know that we are aligned with the direction of RMN. So congratulations, Sir Joni, and to the persons and all the men and women of RMN Bacolod. Madamo gid nga salamat sa inyo padayon ng pangalagad at pagserbisyo. Salamat man for continuously providing us inputs, the constructive criticisms. Salamat gid because kinahanglan na namon, because at times there are so many things that we can't see because of the problems, of the crisis. But with you looking from the outside of what we are doing, we are reminded na dapat po nano ang amon dapat niya pagahin mo. So thank you again, RMN, to the men and women. So again, in behalf of the city of Bacolod, RMN, congratulations. We know that a lot is in store, not just for Bacolod, but in the entire island. So we assure also of the city's continuous support to the Radio Mindanao Network for your future endeavors. Salamat gid, congratulations sa inyo.
Thank you very much, Honorable Mayor Greg Gasataya. Thank you very much, sir, for being here. Thank you for choosing us over that other commitment of yours. Thank you very much, Mayor. Salamat, kid. All right, at this point, ladies and gentlemen,